Hey guys, Sherry Higdon here. You know, not long ago in my internet marketing journey, I ran across a guy named Rex Harris, and he had some training that I was able to set in on, and I am so glad that I did. Because of Rex's training, I finally was able to get over whatever hurdles it was that was holding me back and got my first solo ad out there. Now I know that may sound absolutely hilarious to some of you who do that sort of thing every day, but for someone like myself who want to learn how to do that and have been saying forever, I know I need to do this, I know I need to learn how to set all this up and figure it out, but I just can't, and none of these expensive programs that I bought and tried is helping me get past all these hurdles. Well, Rex is the answer to that. He truly did help me. After sitting in on some of his classes, I was able to connect the dots and get a solo ad out there for the first time. Yay, I felt such an accomplishment. So I highly recommend, if you have the opportunity to grab a seat in one of Rex's trainings, do yourself a favor and do that. I know why you're here. I know you want success in online marketing. You have a primary business that you love, and you want to figure out how to do this like the big boys, right? You want to learn to run in that arena. Well, you've got to start somewhere, and you can entrust yourself with Rex that he is absolutely going to sit with you, take you by the hand, so to speak, through his training and teach you how to do it. You'll be up and running before you know it. So Rex, just for you, I'm so glad that we have been able to meet and connect, and I look forward to all the things that I'm going to learn from you moving forward. So you guys be blessed.